If you want to make your PowerPoint presentations look more polished and professional, learning how to animate a chart is a great skill to have. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to animate a chart in PowerPoint step by step, so your graph doesn't just appear all at once, but comes in with smooth, engaging motion. This is perfect for presentations, reports, pictures, and any slide where you want to keep your audience focused on the data. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide that contains your chart. Click directly on the chart so it's selected. This is important because PowerPoint needs to know which object you want to animate. Once the chart is selected, head up to the Animations tab on the ribbon. This is where all of PowerPoint's motion effects are located. Now choose an animation effect that works well for charts, such as fade, wipe, or fly in. Fade gives a clean and subtle look, wipe adds a nice reveal effect, and fly in creates a little more energy and movement. After selecting your animation, the next step is to adjust the effect options. Click Effect Options and you'll see different ways the chart can animate. For example, you can choose by category, which makes the chart animate one category at a time, or by series, which animates each series separately. This is really useful because it lets you control how your data is revealed to the audience. If you want a more detailed step-by-step effect, by category is usually the best choice. If your chart has multiple datasets and you want each line or bar group to come in smoothly, by series can work very well too. Once you choose the animation style, you'll see the chart begin to animate in a more structured way instead of appearing instantly. Now let's control the timing. To do that, open the animation pane. The animation pane gives you full control over how your animation behaves on the slide. From here, click on your chart animation and look at the timing settings. You can set start to on click if you want the chart to appear only when you click during your presentation, or you can choose after previous if you want it to play automatically after the last animation. You can also adjust the duration to make the animation faster or slower. A shorter duration creates a quicker transition, while a longer duration gives it a smoother, more dramatic feel. It's a good idea to test both options so you can see what fits your presentation style best. If the timing feels too fast, increase the duration a little. If it feels too slow, shorten it until it feels natural. You can also preview the animation to make sure the chart is revealing the data in the right order. This is especially important if you're using charts in business or educational slides, where clarity matters just as much as design. And that's it. Your chart is now animated in PowerPoint and ready to impress your audience. With just a few clicks, you can turn a static graph into a more dynamic and engaging visual. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more quick and easy PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.